guys, this is Chase coming back to you guys with the Iron Pulse, bringing you another recipe. This is going to be my take on a Philly cheesesteak. So without further ado, let's just get into this. And I've done a lot of the prep already, so it'll be quick, easy, and let's get it going. Alright guys, so this particular recipe, I've already laid out all the ingredients. I'll list them on the screen along with the macros underneath once we get the whole thing prepped and set up. So what you'll be needing for this recipe is the following. We have 37 grams of yellow onion, 120 grams of mushroom, 75 grams of all three types of peppers. So we have yellow pepper, red pepper, and green pepper. 110 grams of beef fajita, John Souls steak. 112 grams of wheat pasta, and then we're going to have the reduced fat, the Sargento provolone cheese, 3 slices of that. So yeah, let's get this prepped. Alright, for this particular meal, we're going to be doing a lot of the prep on the stove, and then we're going to bake it for about 5 to 7 minutes to kind of melt the cheese inside. So for this meal, we're going to take a pot and we're going to put in our pasta. Add in some water. Now that we have the water in here, place the lid on. Put it on the stove and bring it to a boil. Same time, I have this burner on high. Spray your pan. Now in this particular pan, what we're going to do is we're going to combine all the other ingredients. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to let this simmer and really cook up nice and good. So by the time the pasta is ready, this will be ready, and then we'll combine it all and throw it in the oven. So while we have the peppers insides going, we want to set the oven. I'm going to set it on bake 75. So this will start turning on and preheating. Alright guys, now that we have everything prepped for this, the pasta, the actual beef fajita mix, we're gonna put it together, and then once we put it together, we're going to throw it in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, maybe 10, whatever you guys prefer, to get that cheese melted on top, and then let it cool for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then dig in. So let's prep this thing. So for this particular prep, or to assemble all of it together, I like to use this nice little bowl that holds everything, a cookie sheet to place this on. That way I can grab it easier out of the oven. So what we're first going to do is drain the pasta. I like to leave a little juice in there just so I have something. So throw in the pasta first. We have 3 of the cheeses. I like to take one of these and put it in here like this. And we're going to spoon on the rest of the mix. So it looks like this before it goes in the oven. Looks pretty good. And then we're going to take the other 2 pieces of cheese, put them on top. I like to rip them, tear them so they can get everywhere. I'm gonna throw this in the oven. Alright, so now that we have it in the oven, we'll let it bake for about 7, as you can see, about 7.5 minutes. And then once I pull it out, We'll let it cool for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you guys will have your recipe. So stay tuned. Yeah guys, so we just pulled it out of the oven. We're going to let it cool for about 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 5. It's a little warm. This is my take on the Philly cheesesteak, so if you definitely give it a try, if you guys definitely like it, definitely comment, like the video, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, thank you. If you're a returner, thank you as well. I'm gonna really enjoy this. This is like my 3rd time making it, and I really enjoyed the first 2 times, so I thought I'd give it to you guys. So yeah, just kind of bringing you guys something else. Definitely let me know your thoughts, comments, everything like that. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to check out my site, which will be linked below. It has a whole bunch of other recipes along with my blog, and some new things are coming out, definitely with the Iron Pulse. Working on some behind the scenes stuff, and also if you want, definitely follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram. I'll put those links on the screen. I'll put my name on the screen and the link below as well. So enjoy.